Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Tasleem. Pauna Police have registered an offence of murder under Section 103 BNS with Section 100 against unknown persons, according to SP South Goa, Sunita Sawant. The South Goa Police are under a cloud after the PSI of Kolva was transferred following the accusation that allegedly brutally beat up a couple. Now, 3 cops from Pauna Police Station have been suspended for the alleged custodial death of Bihari labourer Kanhaiya Kumar Mondal and trying to show it as accidental death.
Post-midnight on 25th June, Maina Kurthuram Police Station received a call from the State Police Control Room stating that a person was found dead on the main road. He was run over by a truck that went without stopping. The initial investigation was pointing toward a hit-and-run case as there was no mention of the deceased in the diary of the Pauna Police. The Maina Kurthuram Police arrested a truck driver in Karnataka on 4th July and brought him to the police station on 5th July. Soon the autopsy report revealed shocking and hidden details when the district hospital at Margao conducted the post-mortem on the body. The post-mortem report said that the deceased had 4 stab injuries on abdomen and 1 on the neck and he had died before the truck ran over him. This means someone had murdered him and left him on the road so that in the darkness of the night, a truck or any other vehicle would run over him and it would look like an accident. After recovering the CCTV footage at Lotulim, the fingers were pointing towards the Pauna Police that the deceased was dropped at the Boram Junction in Pauna Police Station jurisdiction. The police officers confessed to the investigating officer that they dropped the Bihar native labor at the site of the accident. Superintendent of Police, South, Sunita Sawant has already suspended 3 policemen, Ravindra Naik, Head Constable, Ashwin Sawant, Constable, and Pritesh Prabhu, Driver, Constable, attached to Pauna Police Station on Thursday. The serious unanswered questions and the post-mortem report and the suspension of the 3 officials point to the clear, sinister and shocking role of the Pauna Police in the death case, with foul play written all over it. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
Kurshore Community Health is sick and it's like Swiggy delivering patients to SGDH or GMC since there are no doctors in certain specializations. The CHC does not have a gynec and orthopedist. Hence, patients are forced to be transported to South Goa District Hospital and GMC. The hospital was inaugurated hurriedly after people took out a morcha, but now social workers and congressmen who visited Community Health Center said there's a leakage everywhere, including the ceiling, glasses are broken and no canteen. Work is still going on and the hospital has not been handed to Health Department. The CHC was inaugurated little over 6 months ago.
Building so many हांगा जे लिकेज आसा ती पळयता तुमी हारशे फुटल्या ते पयल्या ही नवी बिल्डिंगाची ते अशी परिस्थिती जाल्यार फुडाराक ह्याची परिस्थिती कितें जातली सो हे मेंटेनन्स आसा पळय पायपलायन आसा उदकाची इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कनेक्शन आसा लिफ्ट आसा एसीज आसा हांचे मेंटेनन्स विचारत जाल्यार तेणे डॉक्टरान सांगले की अजून पर्यंत हँडओवर जालें ना PWD कडेन आफ्टर दॅट ते जातले म्हणून सो आमी एक मागणी करता की हाजे मातशे एक तरी विचार करचो जाता तितले बेगीन हँडओवर करून ह्योय फॅसिलिटी दिवच्यो आनी पेशंटांक जे त्रास जाता पेशंटाक जे डॉक्टर्स ना म्हणून पळय त्रास जाता ते मातशे पेशंटाचे त्रास कमी करचे की हांगा पळोवपाक दिसता की एम्ब्युलन्स ड्रायव्हर म्हणटा ते स्विगी बीन आसता त्या भशेन पेशंट आयलो रजिस्टर केलो ट्रान्झिटान काडलो एम्ब्युलन्सीन हातून हॉस्पिटलान गेलो नाल्यार GMCन गेलो सो ही इज एक्टिंग एज अ स्विगी डिस्ट्रिब्युटर सो हे केल्ल्या भशेन करता एमेझॉन आनी हाजे भशेन जाल्ल्या भशेन
6 म्हयने पयलीं जेन्ना आमी एज्युटेशन हाडलें आनी म्हयने भितर ताचें इनॉग्रेशन जालें तेन्ना आमकांय बी खंय तरी आशी जाली की ना हाजे मुखार कितें तरी बरें मेळटलें कारण आमी हे हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट आसा जे हॉस्पिटल ते आमी भुरगेपणांतल्यान पळयता पूण आतां ही नवी बिल्डींग नवो सगळो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर नवी सगळें पूण भितर ज्यो सुविधा आसा त्यो पयलीं आशिल्ल्यो ताचे परस आतां आनी वस्ट जाल्यात कांयच ना आतां हांणी सांगलें तशें दोतोर जे आमकां जे गरजेचे आसात बाळांत बायलेक जो गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट लागता तो दोतोर ना जो कोणी एक्सिडेंट अकस्मात जालो ताका बाबडे हांगा हाडलो जाल्यार ताका बाबा सांबाळून घेवपी ताजेर उपचार फर्स्ट एड करपी जो पेडिट्रिशियन ऑर्थोपॅडिक लागता तो ना अशी जे बाबा आखांता पावपी दोतोर आसात ते दोतोर हांगा मेन ना
आता डॉक्टर जी आसा शी इज इन अ व्हेरी एम्बॅरसिंग एंड अ पिटी सिच्युएशन मेघा कुडचडकर जी आसा ती वी फील व्हेरी पिटी फॉर हर आणि ताजी when we spoke to her she is very confident that 13 तारखेक 13 जुलयाक PWD आपल्याक हँडओव्हर दितली, बिल्डींग आपल्या पोझेशनाक मेळटली. बट शी इज नॉट एट ऑल कन्विन्स, शी इज नॉट एट ऑल हॅपी विथ द ओवरऑल ऑपरेशन. म्हणजे ताका समज विचारलें की बाबा गायनेक केन्ना अपॉइंट करतले, कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट केन्ना अपॉइंट करतले, ऑर्थोपेडिक केन्ना अपॉइंट करतलो, पेडियाट्रिक केन्ना अपॉइंट करतलो, शी डजंट हॅव एनी क्लू अबाउट इट.
The Principal District and Sessions Court, Panchim, on Friday adjourned the hearing in the anticipatory bail application filed by Pooja Sharma, the alleged accused in the Asagaon house demolition case, to Monday. Despite sending a third notice under Section 41A of CRPC on Friday, and Pooja Sharma have been evading arrest since the commission of the crime. On Saturday, her advocate, however, argued in the court there was political interference in the case and government wanted to arrest her due to political pressure.
The Principal District and Sessions Court, Panjim, on Friday had adjourned the hearing to Saturday in the anticipatory bail application filed by Pooja Sharma, the alleged accused in the Asagaon house demolition case. Despite sending third notice under Section 41A of CRPC on Friday, and Pooja Sharma has been evading arrest since the commission of the crime. Panjim Principal District and Sessions Court resumed its hearing on the anticipatory bail plea of Pooja Sharma in the Asagaon house demolition case on Saturday. Pooja's counsel argues MLAs Michael, Delila, and CM interfered in probe, indicating it isn't independent, hence I deserve anticipatory bail. Pooja's counsel argued back to the court stating, "Police wants to arrest me due to political pressure. Government is forcing police to arrest me." Now the District and Sessions Court, Panjim, adjourned the hearing on Pooja Sharma's anticipatory bail plea for Monday morning. The entire case began on 22nd June, when the alleged owners of the one-story house in Asagaon razed the house and also hiring bouncers to threaten the Agrawalekar family to evacuate. The case escalated when the bouncers abducted Preensha Agrawalekar's husband Pradeep and son Prince on the same night when their house was being demolished. On 25th June, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant visited the Agrawalekars' demolished house and assured them that stringent action will be taken against all the perpetrators who were involved in this crime and will bring the main accused Pooja Sharma to Goa for investigation. Sawant also assured them the government would rebuild their house and the expenses would be recovered from the culprits. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
As more and more crimes cases involving police officers are coming to the spotlight, concerns over the injustice committed by the justice providers have raised among the citizens of Goa. In this edition of Street Voices, Herald TV spoke to people with regards to the police not seriously looking at violence inflicted on common man by their own force.
आयज ज्या पर्यंत जेन्ना ह्यो इन्सिडेंटी घडटा पळय तेन्ना एक कॉन्फिडंट लेवल आहा पळय तो पुलिसांचेर गेल्लो आसा. आनी जेन्ना कॉन्फिडंस लेवल पुलिसांचेर वयता पळय तेन्ना बेजिकली लोकूय अजाप जाल्लो आसता. कित्याक खुबशे गजाली हांवें पळयल्ली आसा की पुलीस सुद्दां प्रेशरायज करता. कांय पुलीस स्टेशनां अशीं आहा की लोकांक जे बारीक लोक आहा पळय तांकां कांयतो समजना पळय तांकां प्रेशरायज करून तांचे कडल्यान डिफरंट भाशेन वागप डेफिनेटली जाता. पूण हेजें म्हणणें हें ना की बाबा सगळे पुलीस त्याच लोटान हांव फुटाक पडटा. पूण ह्या लोकांक हे थोडे जाण पुलीस जे ऑफिसर अशें बिहेव करता म्हणून पुलीस डिपार्टमेंटाचें नांव पिड्यार जाल्लें आसा. आनी म्हाका दिसता की फ्रॉम द टॉप टू डावन हाजेर थरर इन्वेस्टिगेशन ह्या पुलिसांचेर बसपाक जाय. कित्याक आतां DGPच्या लेवलाचेर जेन्ना आमी कांय लास्ट विकान कांय गजाली आयकताले तेजे प्रमाणे एक विश्वास जो आहा पळय तो पुलिसांचेर गेल्लो आसा. पूण तो रिटेन परत करपा लागून प्रॉपर एक्शन घेवचें पडटलें सरकारान.
जग म्हणटा ते दोन गजालीचेर चलता, एक सत्य आनी असत्य, ट्रूथ आनी लायज. ह्या दिसांनी जे एलिगेशन्स सद्या पुलिसां भितर जाल्ले आसा जावं पुलिसांचेर कोण करता हे कित्याक करपाक शकता? ताका दोन कारणां आहा. एक तर जो कोण तो एलिगेशन घालपी आहा तो आपलो क्रायम लिपोवपा खातीर जावं कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी क्रिएट करपा खातीर हें करपाक शकता. नाजाल्यार दुसरें म्हणल्यार खरेंच बाबा तो पुलीस ऑफिशियल आहा तो खंय तरी रॉंग आसा आनी तेणें कितें रॉंग केलां म्हणून तेजेर तो क्लेम घालपाक शकता. आयज म्हाका दिसता होम डिपार्टमेंट म्हणजे चीफ मिनिस्टरान एक नवी गजाल हाडपाची गरज आहा ती म्हणटा बॉडी कॅमेरा. आयज तुमी दुसऱ्या कंट्रीनी वचात जाल्यार एवरी पुलीसमॅन जो आसता ताका एक बॉडी कॅमेरा आसता. तो ऑन करतकीरच तेणी खंयचे कॉल म्हाका दिसता वचोन थंय इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करपाक मेळटा, स्पॉटार वचपाक मेळटा आनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू जाता. अशेंच समज गोंयचे पुलिसांक हो बॉडी कॅम दिलो PSI लेवल PI लेवल DYSP लेवल हांकां सगळ्यांक दिले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता पुलीस सेफ उरतले. हे फाल्यां सकाळीं कोणी आयज कितेंय करपाक शकता. सोशल मिडिया आसा, आयज एलिगेशन्स घालपाक शकता, बट ट्रूथ जो आहा वो लिपोवन उरपाक जायना आनी तो कॅमेराचेर रिकॉर्ड जावपाक जाय. सो बॉडी कॅम म्हणटा ती एक नेसेसिटी आसा. सेकंडली ह्या दिसांनी जे पळय एलिगेशन्स जाता पुलिसाचेर, म्हाका दिसता जेन्ना खंयचे लिडर पुलिसांचेर बीन एलिगेशन करता ते लोकांची बाजू घेवन मांडटात. बट एट द सेम टायम म्हाका दिसता की जे पुलीस ऑफिशल्स आसा, जे टॉप रँक्ड आसा, जे इन्क्वायरी करता, तो DG आसूं, IGP आसूं, SP आसूं, DYSP आसूं, जे आमची स्टार्टींग प्रिलिमिनरी स्टार्टींग जी इन्क्वायरी आहा ती करतात, तेन्ना 48 आवर्सा भितर समज पुलिसाचेर अशें एलिगेशन जाता आनी तो पुलीस बाबा खरेंच रॉंग ना जाल्यार हे म्हाका दिसता 48 आवर्सा भितर हो रिपोर्ट पयलीं भायर येवपाक जाय. कित्याक अशेंच समज बरे पुलीस ऑफिसरांचेर समज एलिगेशन जाली जाल्यार खंय तरी बरे पुलीस ऑफिसर फाल्यां एक्शन घेवपाक जावं क्रायम आडोवपाक फाटीं उरतले. कित्याक मागीर लिडर जावं लोक तेंचेर प्रेशर हाडटात म्हणून.
जा त्या पावटी पुलिसांचेर वयर सोट्या प्रेशर येवन सबऑर्डिनेटांक इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिवन हो केसी जाता. आयज पुलिसांचेर इतलो दबाव आहा, उलयतले जाल्यार भरपूर आहा, पूण हांव थोडेंच सांगूंक सोदतां. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो जिओग्राफिकल एरिया आहा पुलीस स्टेशनाक पळय दिल्ल्या कडेन आहा तो बरोच व्हडलेला कडेन आहा. हितून आनीक पुलीस स्टेशनां येवंक जाय, आनीक आउटपोस्ट येवंक जाय, आनी जो एनवायरमेंट पळय आहा पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर, जायते पुलीस स्टेशनांचेर जो वर्किंग एनवायरमेंट आहा तो टोटली हे ना, पळोवपाचोच ना म्हणटा पळय तो. सो हो पयलो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तांकां करून दिवपाक जाय. पुलिसाच्या मध्ये एरोगन्सी ना न्हू, भरपूर आहा. जायते काबील ऑफिसर आहा, चडशे काबील ऑफिसर आहा, स्टाफ बरो आहा, पूण थोडे आपणाचो चलयतात. कित्याक लागून जे पळय एका जाग्याचेर एक पुलीस पर्सनल उत्ता दवरतात त्या स्टेशनाचेर वा त्या जाग्याचेर, तांकां ती एक हॅबीट जाल्ले कडेन आसता आनी ते सगळे इन्स एंड आउट जाणा आसता. आनी हिंगा योग तांकां एडवांटेजूय मेळटा आनी डिसएडवांटेजूय जाता. हें पयलें शिफ्टींग रिशफलिंग हें पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर जावंक जाय.
The SGPDA retail fish market, which was touted as a Dubai-style fish market by the local MLA, is in a filthy condition and its vicinity is a breeding ground for swarms of mosquitoes with its stinking water and open gutters. The flooring is slippery and many buyers have fallen and had to be taken to the South Goa District Hospital for treatment. The internal metal gutter covers have bent upwards and stones are kept on them to keep them down. The sting keeps away customers, forcing them to buy fish sold by the roadsides. As a result, Goan fisherwomen suffer losses. The premises outside the market breeds worms on the uncollected fish waste, which is not cleared by the MMC.
The fisher folks say the market has gone from bad to worse over the last few years due to lack of maintenance. The area surrounding the market is even more filthy and the fish and wet waste dumped there is not collected for days, raising a stomach-wrenching stink. The SGPDA market never visits the place to see the condition, fisher folks complained.
त्रास पडटा हांगा
मार्केटां पयलीं सद्या आमगेले मार्केटां क्लीन दिसता आनी काय सगळे फुटले सगळे भितोन आनी लोक पसलो बी जितलो नुस्तें जाय पडटा सिनियर सिटीजन जाय जाण पडले एम्बुलन्स करून हॉस्पिटलां वयले मार्केटाक कोण एक्शन घेयना चेअरमॅन जाल्यार देंवून येयना सकयल एक दीस तो येयना देंवन पळोवपा मार्केटाक कशें क्लीन ना निवळ ना आनी सगळे नुस्तें रस्त्याचेर सारकें कचऱ्या गाडी येयली ना नुस्तें व्हरपानी वास सारकी आनी मार्केटाक कोण येता तो लोक पब्लीक येयना सो हे मार्केट मे कोण पब्लीक आहा हिंगा कोण ना आनी ते सुरवाले देवले ते रस्त्याचेर सगळे लमाणी सगळे नुस्तें विकताय आख्खी सगळे सकाळ लागताय रातचे 10 पासून आसताय ते एक्शन घेयना आमी कोडो एक्शन घेयना आमी कितें करपाक 5-5 नुस्तें हाटे होपना आमचे मार्केटान म्हणपा बाबा ह्या मार्केटाक पळय तुमी पळय मार्केटाक कोण पूण एक मनीस ना मार्केटान
कोण तो सोपो बीन वाडोवन तुमकां मार्केट
सांगले आमी 30 रुपया जाय आतां लायटी बील आमकां म्हयन्या 20,000 लायटी बील येता ते आमी हारी कोताय लायटी बील पयले एसपी हारी कोताले ते म्हणपाक तुमी फारी कोताय जाल्यार तुमचे आतां आमकां 50 रुपया दे 50 रुपया जाल्यार तुमगे मेंटेनन्स दाखयले आमकां 50 रुपया दिवपा जाता मागीर आमगे मेंटेनन्स कितें खाता दाखयले तुमगे एक बाजार स्लीप जाताय मरे बाबा एक उदक येना नळा उदक ना नळा सानी मानाय निवळ साण ना कांयच ना
बाजारां मरे सारकें आख्खें बुरशी जालें सोंसड्या तरी बरें बाजारां भोंवपा आनी तोंड बसपा बस हितू हीट येता सारकी तेशी आमी पोट भरताय आमगे गरिबां मातशें हेल्प कोले
आनी तुमकां क्लिनिंगनेस
आनी मातशें उदक गेल्यार उदक सारकें आसना मातशें हेल्प कोले ट्राय कर मातशें चोया आमगे
पूण हे मार्केटान टायल्स बीन मोडिल्ले
टायल्स पडले लोक कितले जाण पडटाय लोक बाजारां बसयना बीन सगळी पोळी बी सारकी ना रे मातशें एक्शन घे आमगे
करपाचें
उदका त्रास कितें जाता
त्रास चड दिताय त्रास कितें म्हणटा पयशे वताय ते 10 रुपया दुकराचे 10 रुपया वताय पयशे वताय उदक दिवपा त्रास जाता दिवस आमकां जाणटेल्या उदक हाडून जाय तिंगसून हाडून जाता आं कितको करतली कितले दीस जाले आनी ते कोसरो येता कोसरो व्हरोंक कुसार कोताय वास येता बाजारान तूं पयशे दिवन आमी कितें करतली करपाक जायना तांकां एसपीडी सांगलें ते काम पयशे व्हरो येता ताका सांगलें जाल्यार ते पात्रांवाक सांग म्हणटाय
ते खाली पुराले मार्केट चलो आहा तिंगा सगळे नुस्तें तिंगेन दिताय कितें करपाचें हिंगा बाजारान म्हणटा ते गिराक ना आमकां गिराक ना व्यापार हाडलो उठता भायर पडटा आमगेले पेडे जाता कितले म्हूण करपाचें सांगल्यार ते आयकना वचून हिंगा मार्केट म्हणून थिंग वचून गोंयकार न्ही ते गोंयकार आनी सगळे हे कोण दवरला थिंगा सगळे पयशे घेताय सारके कडेन थिंगा बसताय आमी कितें करतली हिंगा पयलीं म्हणचे आनी हिंगाय मार्केट तशें आमकां एक उदक ना एक निवळ ना एक सगळे थिंगा त्या सायडीन सगळे कितें पडला कचरो काडनाका
पूण हो कचरो आतां ना मागीर एक वीक सुमार जावपा आयलो कोणूच कलेक्ट
काडूंक शकनाय ते तशेंच दवरताय
Mohit Kharangte for Herald TV.
On behalf of the agitating farmers in Lotli, a group of villagers met Goa Forward Party Chief Vijay Sardesai on Friday evening to voice their concerns about the proposed alignment of the new Bori Bridge. The delegation feared the current plan would damage local Khazan agricultural fields, and on this point they received an assurance from Sardesai that he would strongly oppose the current alignment and also raise it in the upcoming assembly session.
नवे बोरिंग ब्रिज लोटलेच्यान जे अलायनमेंट चूज केला सरकारान जो सरकार फोर्स करूंक सोदता तो अलायनमेंट ओपोज करतात थंयचे शेतकरी ते शेतकरी आज म्हाका मेळिल्ले आहा ते शेतकरी हे खाजान शेती म्हणटा ती करतात खाजान शेती म्हणटा ती एक सारकी एन्शियंट मेथड जो आमचो सरकारान मानिल्लो आनी हांव जेन्ना एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर आसलो तेन्ना खाजान रिवायवल करपा खातीर आमी एक 10,000 एकर हेक्टर्स ऑफ खाजन अशें आमी टार्गेट केल्लें आनी पयले 500 हेक्टर वर्साक घेवन आमी खाजन रिवायवल करता म्हणटाले सो गोंयचे एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटाचो फोकस आसा की खाजन शेती ही रिवायव करची आतां ही खाजन शेती एक्झिस्टींग आहा ती शेती काबार करपा खातीर नॅशनल हायवे कित्याक फुडें वता हें म्हाका कळना सेकंडली लँड एक्विजिशन जें करतात ते 60 मिटरा खातीर कित्याक जाय जेन्ना प्रिवेलिंग ब्रिज पसून एक म्हाका दिसता मॅक्सिमम 30 मिटरान जावंक शकता इतले डबल एक्विजिशन कित्याक करप आनी कोण रस्तो वता खंय सो सगळो हाजो सारांश असो लोक काडटा की कोळसो ह्या रस्त्या वयल्यान व्हरपा खातीर कोळशा खातीर आमची शेती काबार करून गांव काबार करून हो ब्रिज करूंक सोदता सरकार अशें हें सिद्ध जाता आनी हो हें एक एक्विजिशन सरकाराचेर आसा आतां तांचो आमदार बाबा आलेश सिकेर म्हणटा की आपूण वचून बाब नितीन गडकरीक सांगतलो आपूण घरां साल्वार करतलो पूण शेती साल्वार करपाची होय फोकस आसपाक जाय आनी हो फोकस आसपा खातीर हो इश्यू आमी रेज करतले दी शूड नॉट बी अनदर प्रोजेक्ट which is unpopular. जे डेव्हलपमेंट जाता तो डेव्हलपमेंट बाय कन्सेंट म्हणटा तो जावंक जाय. आमी आमच्या मतदारसंघात डेव्हलपमेंट बाय कन्सेंट केल्लो आसा. गव्हर्मेंटानूय तसोच करचो. लोक हांगा एंटी डेव्हलपमेंट न्ही, ते ब्रिज नाका म्हणनात, रस्तो नाका म्हणनात, पूण सायज ऑफ दॅट रस्तो आनी एक्झिस्टिंग शेत जे आसा, शेती जी चालू आहा ती प्रोटेक्ट करूंक जाय, हो तांचो उद्देश आहा. आनी म्हाका दिसता हो उद्देश वायट कसोच न्ही. इट इज समथींग which is good and which needs to be supported by all right-thinking goals. And ताजे खातीर we will support them. We will take up this issue, and I think the government has to come clean on this.
Residents of Aushel have demanded the immediate stop to all construction works and demolition and restoration of the land to its original state, since the septic tank's water is doing irreversible damage to the medicinal Aushel spring. The PHC health officer of the primary health center, Sholi, said springs are not in their jurisdiction, while the TCP department stayed away. 219 Aushel residents complained about pollution of the spring by a multi-dwelling project, where they alleged the builder did not inform the TCP that the project was near the spring.
Yeah, the health authority, they do not have a yardstick for distance from springs. They only got a yardstick of distance from wells. So they cannot apply the health rules here. Their rules do not enumerate a natural spring. We are talking about a natural spring and not a normal well. So a different set of rules apply to this, which they do not have in their ambit.
हेल्थान आमकां सांगला की नॅचरल स्प्रिंग्स तेंचे ज्युरिस्डिक्शनान पडना. ओके तांकां फकत वेल आसल्यार 15 या 20 मिटर्साचें ते डिस्टन्स आसता, फकत तेजेर कमेंट करूंक जाता, तेजें इन्स्पेक्शन करूंक जाता. बिकॉज नॅचरल स्प्रिंग्स डज नॉट कम विदिन देयर ज्युरिस्डिक्शन एंड दे डोंट हैव अ प्रोविजन फॉर दैट within their manual. He said we cannot really comment on that, and he will give us a report based on that.
They have cut all the trees in a no development zone, in an eco-sensitive zone. They were just not permitted to do that. But they paid a fee of 2,88,000 to the forest department for tree cutting charge, which includes a fixed refundable deposit. But the information that this is a no development zone was suppressed from the forest department. The forest department didn't even know that this is a eco-sensitive zone. So all these things have been suppressed from the government departments and from the TCP, the forest department, and here the panchayat told me that, sir, we just realized that it is a no development zone today.
सेम तसं होईल. ॲक्च्युली तो स्टार्टिंग सान कितलेशेच म्हटले वायलेशन आहा ते पयलीं 15 मीटर म्हणून सांगला. 15 मीटर ना ते 5 मीटर सुद्दां ना. टुगेदर विथ पंचायत आमी जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन केलें आमी ते 4 मीटर 20 कितें तरी आहा ते. आतां पंचायत म्हणटा की तेंचे हितून ना ते, आनी TCPचें काम ते. जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन मागला तेन्ना TCP येवंक ना जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक. अजून पासून ते येवंक ना. आनी समज तेंचें काम ते, आनी तूं आतां हाडोंक शकता हें कितें तरी, आनी TCPच येना ते इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक. कशें आमी कितें करूंक पावतले ते?
ते आमचे ऑफिसर येयल्ले आहा, त्या ऑफिसरान कितें सांगलां की आमकां एज पर रूल दे हॅव टू कंडक्ट इन्स्पेक्शन ओनली फ्रॉम द वेल सायड. म्हणजे वेल टेकिंग पॉयंट द पॉयंट ऑफ वेल. स्प्रिंग बीन तेंच्या म्हणटा हितून कांय ना एकटांच अशें म्हणजे वेल स्प्रिंगी कडसून कितके डिस्टन्स आसता पळय ते हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटाचे ऑफिसरान. मागीर पळय आमी रावल्या कितें तेंचे कडसून कितें तरी येता. बिकॉज दे ही सेइंग दॅट ही कॅनॉट, बिकॉज ही हॅज टू स्टीक टू दॅट 15 मीटर. तेजे कडेन आनी कितें हें ना म्हणून. आतां आमी रावल्या TCPसून आतां परतून रिवायज प्लॅन केल्लो आसा, म्हणजे इशू केल्लो आसा तेणी, आनी तेजेरसून तेंच्यांनी परतून सेप्टीक आसा पळय दाखयल्ल्यो त्यो वेस्टर्न सायडीक दाखयल्या, आनी इवन चेंजीस हॅज बी मेड एज पर द म्हणजे रोड बीन. सो तेका लागून आमी आतां जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन वी वील बी सेंडींग नोटीस टू द TCP सो टू हॅव एन जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन to explain about the changes.
2 tourists from Kerala were caught driving at a high speed while intoxicated on the Arambol beach. Locals immediately alerted the police, who arrived promptly and nabbed the tourist for flouting the rules.
On Friday late evening, two Kerala visitors under the influence of alcohol drove a four-wheeler on Arambol beach. The tourists had rented a privately owned four-wheeler. Driving on beaches is completely prohibited in Goa. Tourists, whether consciously or inadvertently, have the nerve to ram their rental vehicle onto Goan beaches, raising fears among locals that their behavior may endanger beach wildlife and humans. The locals soon reported them to the police. The cops arrived quickly and captured them.
In response to growing concerns over road safety, Goa Can members met with the traffic cell to discuss various measures to reduce accident rates in the state. The main highlight was the erection of speed breakers at Sarauli, following a tragic accident that claimed the life of a young boy. The speed breaker is expected to be completed by next week. The Department of Transport will also sanction funds to install signboards indicating speed limits.
Some of the things that we took stock of was the erection of speed breakers in Sarauli because there was an accident recently where a young boy lost his life. So a joint site inspection was carried out, and the speed breakers that need to go there will be done within the month, should be done by the next week. Another thing that came out was also speed breakers that are on hold, which were already notified, and that needs to be done. Due to lack of money, that thing is being kept back, but that is also now being expedited after they have figured out where the funds will come from to complete that. Another point was about the annual targets about whatever is happening, for reduction of accidents. The Supreme Court committee had given some certain targets on what we should discuss on the measures to be taken to reduce road safety accidents. We had a meeting last Monday of just 4-5 people to prepare the plan, but now due to the assembly, it's going to, we are going to meet again after the assembly and put all those points down to prepare the road safety plan for South Goa district. We had taken up the issue of electricity poles, which were still in the middle of the road when roads were widened. The discussion was about signboards on speed, especially the speed limits that need to be put up in various roads, highways and all those roads. The Department of Transport will sanction funds now to erect those boards. We just need to follow it up.
A well collapsed at Nanoda, Valpai due to heavy rains on Saturday. The well water was used by the villagers for drinking. Now the well water has been contaminated, adding more misery for the people since it has resulted in water shortage. The assistant engineer has assured that the village will be supplied water through tankers.
The wall of the well at Nanoda, Valpai collapsed due to heavy rains on Saturday. Nanoda village daily potable water well was built 7 years ago to solve the villagers' water crisis issue in Nanoda. The villagers already are facing water and power shortage in village. Now the well water has been contaminated, adding to the misery of the people over water shortage. Devendra for Herald TV.
A huge mango tree fell on a scooter near Raya Cemetery on Saturday morning. The scooterist escaped unhurt. Fortunately, no injuries were reported as locals rushed to safety before the tree fell. Fire brigade personnel arrived promptly and cleared the area.
On Saturday morning, a huge mango tree came crashing down on a scooter near the Raya Cemetery. People around the tree, including the owner of the scooter, quickly ran away when they got to know that the tree is falling. Fortunately, no one was injured, but the scooter was damaged.
We have received a call at about 8:50 that a branch of mango tree has fallen on the road. So immediately we rushed on the area and we observed that the branch of tree fallen on the road and there is one scooter inside there. So now we are cleaning. This will be will clean very soon.
No. Where it has fallen? Raya, which place?
This is the exact front of the church is there.
No, this is a cemetery.
Yeah, it's a cemetery.
Yeah.
It's right in front
so
of
the owner has contacted you, that motorcycle?
Yeah, he's here only.
Where is he?
He's here only. The scooter is inside. Now,
what time you received the call today?
Has given call.
Sorry?
Angelo Fernandez has given call.
What time it was?
At about 8:50.
Inacio for Herald TV.
That's all we have in this newscast. For more news and update, catch us on Facebook, YouTube and Twitter. Thanks for watching Herald TV. Take care and goodbye.